The Rheem Tankless water heater error code P1 indicates a problem with water flow. This error appears when the minimum water flow required to activate the heating process is not being met. Tankless water heaters require a minimum water flow to activate the heating process. When flow drops below this threshold, the P1 error appears to prevent damage to the unit. Now let's go through the initial troubleshooting steps to resolve the P1 error. These are the most common causes and easiest to address. First, check your water pressure to ensure it meets the manufacturer's specifications. Typical requirements range from 15 to 150 psi. Low water pressure is a common cause of the P1 error. Next, inspect and clean or replace the water filter. A clogged filter is one of the most common causes of restricted water flow, leading to the P1 error. Finally, check the inlet screen at the cold water connection. This screen can become clogged with debris, restricting water flow. Remove, clean, and reinstall it securely. These three initial troubleshooting steps, checking water pressure, inspecting the filter, and cleaning the inlet screen, resolve most P1 error cases and are the easiest problems to address. When initial checks don't resolve the P1 error, we need to examine the circulation line more thoroughly. This involves inspecting for three main issues: blockages, kinks, and leaks. A common scenario involves P1 errors appearing after installing a water recirculation pump. This indicates potential incompatibility or improper setup between the pump and your tankless water heater. If the error appears specifically when the circulation line heats up, this suggests a flow issue related to the pump's operation. We can monitor flow rates to identify the problem. If you've checked all these components and the problem persists, it's time to contact a qualified professional. Some issues require specialized tools and expertise to diagnose and repair safely. Regular preventative maintenance is essential to prevent P1 errors. This includes flushing the unit periodically and cleaning the inlet filter to maintain proper water flow. Remember, advanced troubleshooting requires systematic inspection of circulation lines, proper pump compatibility, and knowing when professional help is needed. Regular maintenance prevents most P1 error occurrences.